Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain about the screen layout of Premiere Pro. Let's begin! Let's start. Menu bar. Various menus can be selected from here. Workspace Panel. In the Workspace Panel, the layout of the panel for each use, such as learning, assembly, editing, color, effect, audio, graphics, library, is prepared in advance, so be sure to use the workspace that suits your purpose. By the way, this is the workspace for editing. Source Monitor. The Source Monitor is the place to check the preview of the video material, and in addition to the source, Effect Control and Audio Clip Mixer are also docked here. Program Monitor. The Program Monitor can check the video currently being edited on the timeline in real time. If you change the playback image quality and reduce the image quality, the displayed image may be rough, but the load on the computer will be reduced and it will be easier to edit. If you reduce the image quality here, it will not affect the image quality after output. Project Panel. The Project Panel contains all the materials such as video and audio used for editing and is managed by the Project Panel. In addition to this panel, the effects used when applying effects are also docked. Tool Panel. In the Tool Panel, the tools used for editing on the timeline are displayed here. If you hold and press a tool with a small triangle in the lower right corner, the related tool will be displayed and you can select it. Timeline Panel. The Timeline Panel is your main workspace when editing videos. Place materials such as video and audio on the timeline and cut and adjust the audio along the timeline. Audio Meter Panel. The Audio Meter Panel shows the sound being edited in a graph, so you can check the volume of the sound. If the graph is around the maximum value, the sound is too loud and needs to be adjusted. On the contrary, if it is around the minimum value, you need to increase it. As a guide, when uploading videos to YouTube, etc., I think it's best if the meter is at about 60 or 70%. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.